The Shark AV2511AE Robot Vacuum delivers exceptional cleaning performance with its powerful suction that effectively tackles dirt and debris across all floor types. Its matrix clean navigation ensures no spot is left untouched, as it meticulously covers every inch of your home with precision and thoroughness. A standout feature is the bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt, providing a convenient and maintenance-free cleaning experience. Equipped with advanced home mapping technology, this robot vacuum utilizes 360-degree LiDAR vision to expertly navigate and adapt to changes in your home environment. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to effortlessly capture pet hair thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and powerful suction. The convenience of hands-free control is enhanced by its compatibility with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, allowing you to easily manage cleaning tasks with simple voice commands.